Over the past few years, I've trained this Japanese white pine into an informal upright with guidance from my bonsai sensei. It now has balance and a strong presence. So here's a question. Can I repeat the same success with this Japanese black pine on my own? This tree is way bushier and looks far less forgiving. And if I make the wrong decision, it could set this tree back years. So today isn't just a styling video. It's a challenge. This Japanese white pine set the standard and the reference point for today. The trunk curves nicely. The taper feels natural. And the whole shape is triangular. Everything feels nicely settled. Now, let's look at this Japanese black pine. From a certain angle, you can see potential for a good informal upright. A solid base, curvy trunk, and ramified branches. But if you look a little longer, something doesn't quite settle. The tree shape is unclear and there is no branch structure. I have a clear idea after visiting the Bonsai Museum for inspiration. So let's start styling. To style a tree, we need a plan. And everything starts with careful observation of the tree. First, you need to choose the front. The front of your bonsai tree is an angle that emphasizes the most beautiful qualities in the tree. I'm looking for an angle that shows a strong base and clear trunk movement. I have two possible fronts. I think this angle is what the previous owner considered the front, with this branch as the primary. I want the trunk to come toward the viewer to create a sense of grandeur. But from this angle, it goes away. But if I turn the tree like this, the trunk comes to us. The problem is that the potential primary branch is very thin and hasn't developed much. It only has leaves at the very tip and might be difficult to be a decent branch, especially because black pines don't bud easily. This is a difficult choice. But I think the first angle is better because the primary branch should be the one that catches the eye. Next step is to decide on the three important branches. These form the foundation of any bonsai design. The first is the primary branch, the lowest one. It defines the center of gravity for the whole tree, and for this tree, this branch is the primary. The second is the top branch. Looking at the crown, there are two leaders. When I look at the trunk from base to the top, it goes from left to right and left to right, so the top branch should be this one on the left. Finally, the back branch. The back branch gives depth and transforms the tree into 3D landscape. I think this one will be the back branch. Make sure to select branches that come from the outside of curves because it shows the wind and snow pulls the branch down and the trunk outward. Now, based on this plan, I'm removing these branches that I don't need. When you have doubts, you can leave the branches for now and decide to keep or remove after you finish wiring. Now, wiring. Start from the lowest branch towards the top and from the base to the tip. For an informal upright, the first branch should be the strongest that catches the eye. If you pull it slightly forward, you feel its presence much stronger. The branch should flow downward from the base as if bent by its weight. Make sure that the leaf pad looks like a hill from the side with a rounded shape and a flat bottom. To do that, align the bottom and move the small branches slightly higher and lower within the branch. It gives depth and dimension to your tree. The second branch at the opposite side of the primary branch should be shorter than the primary. Do the same as the primary branch. Now the tree shape. The whole shape should form an even triangle, the crown, the tip of the primary branch, and the tip of the secondary branch on the other side forming 3 points. Hide some of the section of the trunk and branches. If every part of the trunk and branches is visible at once, the tree becomes flat and boring. If you're enjoying this so far, I also share deeper bonsai tips in my free newsletter. Check the link in the description. Now, take a look. The trunk movement is clearer. The paths are well placed. And the shape is nice and triangular. Before and after. And compare this with the white pine reference. How is it? I think it worked. It's a solid informal upright with a lot of future potential. And that's it for today, and see you in the next video.